Let's get some keywords. I'm going to do a quick search on Amazon. After I do a Google search, I'm going to do a quick Google search for this product. Okay, a lot of ads. I'm going to select this Amazon ad. Okay, I'm going to grab this link because next I'm going to go into Google Planner Keyword Tool. Under Tools, we would select Keyword Planner. Okay, let's do a new search. And we're going to drop that URL right there from Amazon. And then get ideas. We're going to click on keyword ideas. And then click on average monthly searches. And now we're going to highlight. Left mouse click down. I'm going to use my wheel, keeping my left pointer down, my left click. Okay, Control C to copy. I'm going to open up a notepad. And Control V to paste. I'm just going to grab the front page for now, just to give you an idea. All we want are the keywords. Next, I'm going to clean it up. I'm just going to keep the relevant ones. Like, we don't need Honda lawnmower. It's not a Honda lawnmower, it's a Greenworks mower. So lawnmower, mowers, Toro, it's not a Toro. It is electric. It's a mower, it's not a Toro. Cheap lawnmowers, maybe if somebody's looking for cheap lawnmowers, they'll pull mine up. Mine's not cheap though. It's a push. Best lawnmower, sure, somebody does that kind of search. Lawnmowers, Honda, it's not a Honda. Lawnmower reviews, we don't need reviews. It's not a lawn tractor. Used, yes. Mowers, yes. Grass trimmer, yes. Lawn tractor, it's not a tractor. Lawn mowing, sure. Walk behind mower, yeah. Mower blades, not specifically, no. Greenworks, not the same kind. Cordless, it's not a cordless. Corded. Walk behind mowers. Electric mower, yes. Real lawn mower, yes. Electric lawn mowers, yes. Lawnmower service, no. Honda, no. Best, sure. Lawn equipment, yes. Okay, so now we have our list of keywords. Put a comma, and I'm going to highlight that and copy that so I can paste it again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. Again and again. Again, 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 again. Again and again, and period. Next. Simplify my document. I just want to make it one sentence. Okay. Let's do a word wrap. And word wrap again. One sentence straight across. Control A to select everything. Control C to copy it. And now I'll bring up my other notepad that I had open where I was creating my titles and my ad body, and I've already included keywords here. So what I would do is read down my ad. Okay, this is going to be the body. How to contact me. I'll go a couple sentences below, paste my keywords into my search results, into my ad.